everyone, welcome to my channel all about biology, and this is Jyoti Verma. Today we will discuss about Whittaker's 5 kingdom system of classification. So the 5 kingdom system classification was given by R.H. Whittaker, in which he divided the living organisms into 5 different kingdoms. These are Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae and Animalia. So now we will compare the characteristics of these 5 kingdoms on the basis of different characteristics. The first character here is cell type. So in the case of Monera, the cell is prokaryotic and rest of the cells in the other kingdoms are eukaryotic in nature. Now coming to our second category, unicellular or multicellular. The cells in the case of Monera are unicellular, and in the case of Protista these are also unicellular. However, in Fungi, Plantae and Animalia these are multicellular in nature. If we talk about nuclear membrane, then as the cell is prokaryotic, so here the nuclear membrane is absent, while in all of the other kingdoms the cell type is eukaryotic. That's why a well developed nuclear membrane is present here. If we talk about mitochondria, then mitochondria is also absent here in the case of Monera because the cell type is prokaryotic. Mitochondria is present in all the other kingdoms. If we talk about chloroplast, then chloroplast is mostly absent and photosynthetic membranes present in some types. Similarly, in the case of Protista, the chloroplast is mostly absent, however it is present in some types. In the case of fungi, chloroplast is completely absent. In the case of Plantae, it is present, and in the case of Animalia, again the chloroplast is totally absent. Now coming to our next characteristic, that is cell wall. So the cell wall in the case of Monera is non-cellulose and it is made up of polysaccharides and amino acids. In the case of Protista, the cell wall is present in some forms and is of various types. In the case of fungi, as you all are aware of it, that the cell wall is made up of chitin and other non-cellulose polysaccharides. In the case of Plantae, the cell wall is made up of cellulose and other polysaccharides. However, in the case of Animalia, the cell wall is completely absent. Now coming to our next characteristic, that is mode of nutrition. So in the case of Monera, it may be autotrophic or heterotrophic. In the case of Protista, it is photosynthetic or heterotrophic. In the case of fungi, it is by absorption or heterotrophic. In the case of Plantae, they make their own food by photosynthesis, hence it is autotrophic. And in the case of Animalia, it is by ingestion, which is followed by digestion. Now coming to our next category, that is reproduction and development. In the case of Monera, they all can reproduce asexually, no fertilization and meiosis is there. In the case of Protista, fertilization and meiosis is there. In the case of fungi, fertilization and meiosis is there. In the case of Plantae, fertilization and meiosis is there. And in the case of Animalia, fertilization and meiosis is there. So that is all about. It was a comparative study of different kingdoms of the 5 kingdom system of classification proposed by Whittaker. A detailed explanation of this type of system is also present in our previous video. So that is all about for today. If you like the video, just subscribe to my channel for further updates. Thank you so much.